With the BMW R 1300 GS, the storied GS platform receives its most significant redesign to yet. It's a completely redesigned bike that is so different from the previous model that some have expressed dissatisfaction over it being a street bike for dirt roads instead of the other way around. As you can see, the 1300 Adventures we've always known was in the works is very different from the 1300 it's based on. This 1300cc boxer twin engine in the new R 1300 GS Adventures is the same air-cooled, liquid-cooled BMW ShiftCam motor found in the basic version. It produces 110 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute along with 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute, or 9 horsepower and 5 foot-pounds more than the previous 1250. The 1300 Adventures surpasses the base model by offering the optional Automated Shift Assistant, ASA, for seamless gear changes. The engine is noteworthy because it is the first time BMW engineers have placed the gearbox under engines in keeping with the current sport bike design ethos. What is the ASA? It's essentially BMW's semi-automatic transmission. There are two drive modes available: manual, M, and automatic, D. While drive allows the electronics to choose the shift points based on a variety of factors like RPM, throttle position, lean angle, riding style, etc., manual is still a sound, traditional shifting via foot lever. Semi-automatic gearboxes technology was first introduced by Honda's dual-clutch transmission on the VFR 1200 in the late 2000s. BMW has now adopted this technology for the 1300 Adventures. Similar to the original model, the main chassis is constructed of a lattice rear frames comprised of extruded hexagonal aluminum tubing with forged bits, along with a compact sheet metal shell main frames. In addition to offering an adaptive vehicle height control accessory that lowers the GS Adventure by 1.2 inches while you're stopped, BMW claims that the seat height may be altered from 34.3 to 35 inches. This means that your height range is actually 33.1 to 33.8 inches. Additionally, BMW offers a comfort add-on for the VHC that lets you change the seat height to auto, high, or low. By doing this, you can ensure that you are 33.5 to 34.2 inches tall when riding and 32.3 to 33 inches tall when the wheels are stationary. This will reduce the seat height by 0.8 inches. Beyond these upscale features, the GSA boxy 7.9-gallon fuel tank gives it an unmistakably wide shoulders. Although it appears to have drawn inspiration from the Star Wars Walker fighter jet in its look, it has the same capacity as the previous iteration that we tested here. The new tank boasts mounting points that go on for days, demonstrating how eager BMW's designers are for you to fill it to the brim and then disappear for as long as possible. Likewise, the subframe offers an abundance of eyelets and storage compartments to ensure that you never run out of places to store anything. Undoubtedly, the GSA's front appears more robust than that of the original model. The optional tilt-sensitive adaptive headlamp upgrade keeps the X-shaped headlights, but adds two more lights on either side of the radiator shroud that resembles a Robocop. At the back is an additional LED light. By including the optional Automated Shift Assistant, ASA, for speedy gear changes, the 1300 Adventure surpasses the standard model in performance. Compared to the standard model, this one has a bigger screen above the headlights with a pair of side deflectors. It can be electrically adjusted instead of using a rotating knob. Beneath the screen, there's also space for an optional radar system that allows you to activate front collision warning and adaptive cruise control. To enhance the radar image, a rear collision warning system is available. Regarding wheels, the GSA starts with cross-spoke wire wheels, but you can replace them with lighter forged enduro wheels, which are, in my view, the greatest accessory that BMW has to offer. You'll save 4 pounds of undamped weight by doing this. The radiator cap and new lamp definitely have a Robocop vibe about them. The 2025 R1300 GS Adventures will come with 4 color options, with specific enhancements in each model. Adventure Style Triple Black, the classic BMW Red, Blue, and White GS Trophy. The stunning Emerald Green option 719 Karakoram, plus the base Red, Silver, and Black, called Basic. With its automated clutch function, the Automated Shift Assistant, ASA, enhances the comfort of motorcycle riding and provides a thrilling riding experience by automatically adjusting the gearbox to suit the chosen riding style. Totally rebuilt boxer engines with an undermounted gearbox and BMW ShiftCam technology to adjust the intake side valve timing and strokes. The strongest BMW boxer engines ever made. Strong responsiveness across the whole engine speed range, exceptional emissions, fuel efficiency, refinement, and smoothness. Output of power and torque: 149 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 107 kilowatts. 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute.